Today I will show you how to create file and how to write the content in that file and also how to read the content of that file. So for that let's make a one class that is file operation. In that file operation create a files dot write string method. So in that write string method what you have to pass path, char sequence and then option. So what is the path? First let's create a path. How to create path? We have to use file object. I will give file name as a demo.txt. File object you have to use. Now let's pass path here, file.toPath. If you open this syntax of this method, what error it will throw? It will throw IO exception. So you have to handle that exception here. Now second is the char sequence. Char sequence means the content you have to write in that file that you have to pass here. For that let's create a one here variable string file content. I will create some content. So Shivam session. Thank you for watching. Let's pass this content here. And here you have to mention options. So what are the options? For that you have one enum that is standard open option. Okay, so in that you have multiple method that is append, create new one. So append will what will you do? It will append the content of that file. And create new method what will do? It will create a new file and write a new content in that file. Let's use this create. Now try to run the program. Now you can see program is run successfully. So let's open the project path. So in that project path demo.txt file is created. And you can see the content also has written in that file. Now we can see how to read the content of that file. For that you have to use files dot read string method. And what here you have to pass file path. What is file path? File dot to path. Now catch this output in one variable that is output and print that output in system.out.println. Now let's run this program. Now you can see the output is printed here. So like this you can read and write the file by using file.writeString method and file.readString method. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.